Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is operations on sets. In operations on sets, verification of commutative and associative laws with respect to union and intersection. Commutative laws of union and intersection on sets. First we started. If A and B are two sets, then the commutative laws with respect to union and intersection are written as A union B equal to B union A. It is a commutative law of union. A intersection B equal to B intersection A. It is commutative law of intersection. For example, if A set includes 1, 2, 3 up to 10 elements and B set includes 3, 5, 7, 9. First part, we verified the commutative law of union. Second, verified the commutative law of intersection. Solution of this example for the first part is A set includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And B set includes 3, 5, 7, 9. A union B. So first of all, we know about that what is union. Union of two sets A union B is a set which consists of elements of both A and B with common elements represented only once. And first we write A set, that is 1, 2, 3 up to 10, and union, it is a symbol of union. 3, 5, 7, 9 is a set of B, and we combine all the elements of both sets. B union A. B union A, first we write the B set and union and then A set. B set includes only 3, 5, 7, 9 elements and A set includes 1, 2, 3 up to 10. We combine all the elements and all the elements with common elements represented only once. Therefore, A union B equal to B union A. Now we verified the commutative law of union. Second is verified the commutative law of intersection, that is A intersection B. A intersection, what is the meaning of intersection? Intersection of two sets A and B is a set which consists of only the common elements of both A and B. So first we write A set intersection. This is a symbol of intersection. 3, 5, 7, 9. The common elements are 3, 5, 7, 9. B intersection A. 3, 5, 7, 9, B intersection 1, 2, 3 up to 10, and the common elements are 3, 5, 7, 9. Therefore, A intersection B equal to the B intersection A. We verified the commutative law of intersection. Next, we start associative laws of union and intersection. If A, B and C are three sets, then the associative laws with respect to union and intersection are written respectively as A union into B union C equal to A union B into union C. Second law is our intersection A intersection into B intersection C equal to A intersection B into intersection C. Remember that to find union intersection of three sets, first we find the union intersection of any two of them, and then the union intersection of the third set with the resultant set. For the explanation of this law, we take example 1. Verify the associative laws of union. First part is A union into B union C. Second is A union B union C, where A set includes 1, 2, 3, 4 elements and B set includes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and C set includes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Solution of this example. First part is A union into B union C. In this part, we solve first of all B union C, which resultant set will come. We will take again union with the set A. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4 union B and C set we write within a round bracket 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 union 6, 7, 3, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the set A as it is we write, and union of B and C, that are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now resultant set, union of resultant set and A set, that is all the elements we should write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8. It's equation 1. Second is A union B into union C. So first we find out A union B and then resultant set take a union with the C. So A union B, answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 union with the C set 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Its answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's equation 2. From 1 and 2 equation we conclude that A union into B union C equal to A union B union C, and verify the associative law of union. Example 2. Verify the associative laws of intersection. First part is A intersection into B intersection C and A intersection B intersection C for sets given in example 1. Same example sets we are taking. So first solution of this example is A intersection B intersection C equal to A set is 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection of B and C. First we take the intersection of B and C, and common elements of B and C are 6, 7, 8. And now take the intersection of set A and resultant set. That 1, 2, 3, 4 is a set of A, intersection 6, 7, 8. No one element is common in these two sets, so empty set will be the answer, and this is called A. Second is A intersection B intersection C equal to A set is 1. First we find out intersection of A and B, then resultant set intersection take with the C. 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 enclosed in a round bracket, intersection of 6, 7, 8, 9. And the intersection of A and B are 3, 4, and the C set we have written as it is. 3, 4 and in the C set no one element is common, so empty set is the answer. So from A and B we conclude that A intersection into B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C, and we verify the associative law of intersection. Next our topic is verification of distributive laws. If A, B and C are three sets, then A union into B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C is called the distributive law of union over intersection. In distributive law, we use both operations union and intersection. If A, B and C are three sets, then A intersection into B union C equal to the A intersection B union into A intersection C is called the distributive law of intersection over union. Verify with the example number 1, distributive law of union over intersection, and second is distributive law of intersection over union. Whereas A set is including 1, 2, 3 up to 20, B set includes 5, 10, 15, multiple of 5 up to 30, and C set includes 3, 9, 15, 21, 27, and 33. Solution for the first part is distributive law of union over intersection is left hand side equal to A union B into B intersection C equal to, first we take the intersection of B and C set, and then after resultant set we take a union with the A. So A set is 1, 2, 3 up to 20 union B set intersection of C set. Now A set as it is we write union and intersection of B and C sets are 15 only. We write the intersection only, we write common elements. A union into B intersection C. Now we take the union of these two sets. The answer is 1, 2, 3 up to 20. It's one equation. So right hand side equal to A union B equal to A set 1, 2, 3 up to 20 union of B set. We take union of A and B and all elements we write and with the common elements represented by 1. 1, 2, 3 up to 20 and 25 and 30. A union C. A set union of C set and the union of this set is 1, 2, 3 up to 20, 21, 27, 33. All elements which are present in A set and B set we have mentioned there. So A union B intersection A union C. Now we take the intersection of A union B, A union C, and the set A union B is 1, 2, 3, 20, 25, 30 we have mentioned there, and intersection of B A union C. Answer is 1, 2, 3 up to 20. From one equation and two, we conclude that A union into B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. It's verified. Second part is distributed law of intersection over union. Same example we are taking and solution is left hand side A intersection B into B union C. First we take the union of B and C set, and after that take the intersection with the A set. So 1, 2, 3 up to 20 A set intersection of B set union C set. B and C union of these two sets are 3, 5, 9, 10, 15, 20, 21, 25, 27, 30 and 33. And take the intersection of A with the A set. So its answer is 3, 5, 9, 10, 15, 20. It's equation 1 and it is A intersection into B union C. Right hand side A intersection B. A set we will write intersection of B set. A and B intersection of these two sets we write only common elements that are 5, 10, 15, 20. A intersection C. In these two sets we should also write the only common elements that are 3, 9, 15. Now we take the union of A intersection B, A intersection C. A intersection B union A intersection C is we write their set of A intersection B 5, 10, 15, 20, union of intersection C 3, 9, 15, and the union of these two sets is 3, 5, 9, 10, 15, 20. Thus from 1 and 2 we conclude that A union into B union C equal to A intersection B union into A intersection C. Thanks.